Hello guys, welcome back to our new video guys. Today in this new video guys, I will actually show you how to make money by just shrinking a link or by just clicking a link guys. So guys, if you are new to here, please head over to online hustle which is on YouTube and search for it, and actually go through subscribe button and etc. So without wasting any more time guys, I would actually like to go through. I will show you the website, the step by step that we are going to follow, and what are we going to shorten the link. So let's move into the video. So let's move into my Jamboard guys and actually show you the step by step and actually what are we going to use in order to actually make money on that website. And by the way, I will actually go through the website and sign up and actually make money for you live guys, to in order for you to trust me guys. So while it is loading, I don't have a strong internet connection here with me. So while it is loading guys, so as you can see, it's just load up. So let me click the first one, and actually I will clean all the thing because while it's loading guys. So for the first thing guys, I will actually clear the frame and actually choose a pen. So guys, what we need to actually do right now here is to actually find the link or some link that we are gonna shorten, so that we can send to people and actually be clicking on those links. So for instance, right now I will actually go to other website and actually find a like photo URL and etc, and actually shorten the link of that photo to the website, and actually copy the shrink link, or I should say the link that I have been just shorten the link, and once someone click on the link we will get paid. So that's actually how it works. So the first or I should say, let's go and find or some fix a random fix, like let's say for instance, like the picks that we are gonna be using guys is let's see, weight loss, sorry guys, wait, let's click on the picks. So let's go on the images guys. So boom, as you can see, there are a lot of images that we can be able to pick up. So the first thing we're gonna do is that just to be, for instance, I'd like to see open a new tab, and open a new tab, open a new tab. Let's see, you can find at least 50 to 61 of them, and I'm gonna go show you what we are going to do with all those 60 and etc. So after you find all those pics and copy the URL, so the first thing you're gonna go guys is head over to where they say site.google.com and click on enter. So actually if you enter guys, it will actually not, because I told you earlier, I say I don't have the strong internet connection, that's why it didn't load up faster. So while it is loading guys, now it actually pop up. So the first thing, just click on where they say blank. Boom, as you can see, it's loading guys. So boom, as you can see, it's finished the load off. So guys, what we are gonna do here is to say, let me click on Control A, which is all. So boom, as you can see, now what we are going to do is to write something like, or to say like let's say, if you want to know how these people just wait. So now we have to actually resize this and actually make it to be better look, and actually let's say like 30. Let's see 30. So as you can see, I think it's actually very fine now. So the what we are going to do, guys, in this text modules, we are going to add a text box or button. So I'm looking for button right now. So as you can see, here is the button. So I'm about to add it. Oh, let me click on it. So let's see it's one. So actually I show you that, or I told that I'm gonna pick up the link that we just find there picked. So go to Google and click on the link that you click, and actually click here and Control C and go over to site.google and click Control V to paste the link, and boom, as you can see, the our button has been just actually pop up. So the what we need right now is to click on duplicate and click here, and the link to actually click on edit and click on 2, and on the link and go back to the next of the link you or picture and copy the link of it and click here and Control V and click updated. So here is actually how you are doing it until you are live with what you have done. So the third thing we are going to do right now here is to actually, oh sorry, I gonna make a mistake, or I'm gonna show you the website that you are going to shoot in the link of the picture and then to come to site.google and paste the link. So let's go back to the website that I'm gonna show you. So for the purpose of these videos right now, please head over to YouTube and search for or subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and let's jump to the website. So the website is always known as edifly, which is edi.ly.com. So we are going to create an account. As you can see how all things work, they say get paid should share your link on the internet, guys. So as you can see all how the things work. So right now I'm gonna go live and actually create an account with you, and I will give you an update about this thing that I'm gonna do right now after 1 week. So I will gonna show you how much have we earned for just shrinking this link. So let's actually say join now. So actually they say let me choose this one because I don't have an account already. So username, let's see John David, and actually email I will choose online YT account and make sure that is link Shortner and click on I agree, and actually type in the what shall I say TRWLD. So I've been typing my password, so make sure you put the one that you're gonna remember, because let me rewrite it. So boom, as you can see they say let me choose this one, David.yt. now we are free to go. Let's hit on sign off. So boom, as you can see that let me click on save. They say we have sent you an email via online YT. So let me actually go to my Gmail account, actually approve or activate my account in order to move. So now there is no email. Oh, let me go to promotion. I don't think it actually pop up, or let me reload. If we don't see it here, so you're gonna move to where they say more option and actually go into spam. So boom, as you can see, here is the email they have sent us. So report no scam, no spam. So let's go back to our inbox. So as you can see, here is the email. Let's click on it, and now what we are gonna click is that let's copy this activation key because we may need it. And if they say so, let's click on this one, and let's click on that confirmation email. So boom, as you can see, they say your account successfully confirmed. So now right now we can be able to go back to our website and actually click on login in order to log into our account. So guys, let me pull in the details that I have set earlier. So let's click on login, guys, and they say we should put the code. Let me 46 W86Y. So as you can see right now, we are on our dashboard account right now. I don't what they say, would like to continue. Let's see, yes. So boom, as you can see, here is our new account that I've just created for you or with you live, guys. So what we are going to do right now is to shrink our picture that we found a link or the link of the picture. So let's say these are the picture, these are the link. Let's click on copy and go back to our Edifly website and click Ctrl V and then click on shrink. So boom, as you can see, here is the link. So we should go back to our site.google.com and actually click and close, or I should say clean this link and put the shrink one, because when our when our viewers click, they will just use the shrink one. So guys, let's find another image. This is the image. Ctrl C and go back to Edifly and click on shrink. So copy and actually go back to our website or the website Google site, then Ctrl V. Boom, as you can see now, they have already shrink all of our links, or I should say here is actually how to do it. So the next video that I'm gonna be dropping is that how, or I should say what are the results that I've already used to in order to create this account, and actually I will show you the next stats in my next video. So guys, please, if you find some interesting information on making money online, guys, please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, guys.